So today we are going to see the English phrases which are used in our conversation, formal conversation. The first phrase is on topic. So before that I would like to give the definition of phrase. So what do you mean by phrase? A phrase is a group of two or more words that express a single idea, but it does not form a complete sentence. So this is the definition of phrase. So phrase is a sequence of one or two or more words that make up a grammatical construction, and it does not make a complete clause or sentence. So now let us see the first phrase, on topic, how to use it. Before that, what is the meaning of the phrase on topic? The meaning is relevant to the subject under discussion. I have given one example also. I will do my best to stay on topic. That is, I will be listening, or I will be on the topic in which the other people are discussing. So this is the first phrase. So the next phrase is on track. It is also similar to the first phrase, on topic. The meaning is acting in a way that is likely to result in success. So we believe, the example is given, we believe the talks are still on track. That is, a talk is going on between two parties and they are discussing on topic. So this is the second phrase, on track, and this is one important phrase used in our formal conversation. So the next phrase is off topic or off track. The meaning of the phrase off topic or off track is unlikely to be successful or correct. That is, we are not, a person is not traveling towards the target or a goal. Example, the project seems to have gone a little off track. That means the project is not going towards the objective, it's not going to be completed, it is diverted. So that is the meaning of this. So the next phrase is go through the roof. The formal meaning of this phrase is to increase quickly, suddenly. Example, the price of shares have gone through the roof in the past 6 months. So this is the formal meaning. The formal meaning is to increase quickly or suddenly. An informal meaning is to suddenly become extremely angry. So example, I went through the roof when I came to know my son's mistake. The next phrase is train of thought. Train of thought refers to the interconnection in the sequence of ideas expressed during a thought as well as sequence itself, and the way in which someone reaches a conclusion. So the example is given here, he failed to follow his father's train of thought. So the next phrase is bank on. The meaning of this phrase is to depend on something happening or on someone doing something. Example, the players are banking on him to win the match. So the players are depending on a particular person to win the match. So the next phrase is brush up on. So the meaning of this phrase, brush up, is to improve someone's existing knowledge or skill in a particular area. Example, these exercises will give the students a chance to brush up on their communication skills. My dear students, I request you to find the meaning and usage from the serial number 6 to 10. That is, bring to the table, to shelf, off the top of my head, out of the left field, think outside the box. So, for these five phrases, you try to get the meaning and also the examples and post it in the comment box. Thank you.